ahead and just put this over here for now. Okay guys, we're back at this railroad. Yeah, show me right there. Anyways guys, this is the scrapyard, just to give you a quick look around. People coming in, people look. Got a heavy load there. Okay guys, leaving the scrapyard. Car's coming. 200 a car. I heard the guy talking, said 200 for a car. So he'll buy your old junk car for 200. It used to be 500. Now it's only 2. So I think I'll hold on to the Jeep for a little bit longer until I get something else, truck or something else. Yeah, right there, guys. 300Z, 310Z, whatever, something like that. There's some scrap metal. But you know, hey, the price was down at Allied's. I was only getting like 18, 19. Okay guys, so I made a bunch of money. There's the money, guys. Gotta reorganize the scrap pile a little bit. $45, guys. That was just 2 loads. It's 4 cents a pound. So, you know, this is money. It's not junk, it's not garbage, it's money. So there's actually 3 riding mowers going this way. Then right about over here somewhere there's a riding mower frame with the wheels on it, yeah, I think on a block somewhere over here. So that's all stuff that has to be processed and taken apart. Wipe out dreaming on the Gremlin. I think I'll put this for sale on maybe Letgo, Craigslist. It's not too bad, just needs just some work on the chrome there. The training wheels are really good. It's a nice little dream. Gremlin Schwinn Dream. This roof is going to have to be tarred or just put a metal roof on top of it. It needs to be cleaned. It needs to be cleaned off. So it's a lot of work that needs to be done. Some more scrap here. Get rid of. There's a pile from above. Needs a new roof. Okay guys, I have to, either I'm going to tar it or I'm going to put a metal roof. Somehow this has to be divided in the center, so obviously it's a big issue. I think it's perfect for storage unit. This is like a 1 car can fit in here, you know. That's what I'm thinking. 1 car, 2 cars. So we got 2 car parking lot spaces, oversized. I think it's bigger than a car space actually. So. It's definitely longer. This stuff needs to be getting out of here. So anyway, yeah, that's what's coming. That's what's coming. It's just a little update of things that are gonna come very soon. And hopefully all this pile here will be gone. Will be gone. Lots of work needs to be done to achieve a dream. And It's just gonna have to be done, guys. It's gonna have to be done.